Hello, today I'm going to do a fast unboxing Mazda RX-7, the Japanese series for Matchbox 70 years. I found this at the store. I didn't believe that they made a convertible one finally, and I just got it. So let's pop it open and take a look. Okay, as usual, the wrapping paper. Wow, a chrome base. That's really pretty. So you can see my phone and me behind. Hello. Right, let me put this back into the box first. And off the bat, the proportions on the front look a bit funny. Looking at the front here, it looks really flat, and the headlights look a bit too big. Oops. There's a quite big gap here. So, the front also looks a bit longer than I thought. I've seen this car in real life. I think that the front is a lot shorter. The grille isn't detailed. I'll have to detail that later. I'll go off the picture here. But the wheels are chrome. That's nice. The base, you can still see below that the base is still chrome. This is black, and the imprints on the rear looks good. License plate reads Rotary 88. Very nice. Very cool. No front plate though, and it has an opening hood. So let's pop it open and take a look. It's quite flush, although there's a gap, so it may be a bit difficult to pry open. I might need something like a ruler or just gonna try using the corner of the box. Oops, no, it's too flimsy. Cause I forgot where I put the thing. No, I think a flat head would serve pretty well. Let me do it off camera. Okay, the flat head's a bit too fat. Okay, I got it open at least. Okay. Oh, it can't go up too much. But wow, that's a really detailed engine bay for a Matchbox. This was like $15 in Singapore, so yeah, quite expensive, but I think it really looks good. Details are there. It's a bit, the proportions aren't the best, but it's a good model. I've never seen another convertible one being made. Most of them are all coupes because everybody remembers them as coupes. Yeah, 1988 Mazda RX-7 convertible with the opening hood. Really cool car. I rate this 9 out of 10.